Hi friends, I've brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Calmic tablets. Calmic tablets contain 250 milligrams of mefenamic acid in every tablet. The box has 200 tablets in it. It's made by Stanley Pharmaceuticals. Mefenamic acid is used to relieve mild to moderate pain, including menstrual pain that happens before or during a menstrual period. Mefenamic acid is in a class of medications called NSAIDs. It works by stopping the body's production of a substance that causes pain, fever, and inflammation. Mefenamic acid comes as a capsule or a tablet to be taken by mouth. It is usually taken with food every 6 hours as needed for up to 1 week. Follow the directions on your prescription label carefully and ask your doctor or pharmacist to explain any part you do not understand. Take mefenamic acid exactly as directed. Do not take more or less of it, or take it more often than prescribed by your doctor. Take the missed dose as soon as you remember it. However, if it is almost time for the next dose, skip the missed dose and continue your regular dosing schedule. Do not take a double dose to make up for a missed one. Mefenamic acid may cause side effects such as diarrhea, constipation, gas or bloating, headache, dizziness, nervousness, ringing in the ears. Some side effects can be serious, such as blurred vision, unexplained weight gain, shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, swelling of feet, ankles or lower legs, fever, blisters, rash, itching, hives, etc. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.